Hello dear Pisces, welcome back to my channel and this is your May 4th week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. This is the last week of May. Let's see how this is going to be. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe so that you can get your reading in advance and you're prepared to handle the week nicely. And if you would like to book any personal readings, rituals or counseling session with me, I do that as well. Please stay tuned till the end so that you can get more information on how to book it and what all services are available. Let's begin with your career. First, Pisces, you've got the 10 of stars and the 7 of suns. I do see that you are very much stuck in your past. Maybe you have made some career switches, some decisions in your life which you are over analyzing. You are again overthinking about them. You are maybe unsure or doubtful, or you're questioning yourself that I don't know if I took the right decision when I switched my career, changed that job, started this business, right? Or applied to this college. You can have such questions on your mind. I do see that yes, there have been struggle in your work life. Yes, there has been delays in your work life in whichever situation you are in currently, but that doesn't mean that you will not get the success. I do see that yes, your life might seem like you have to climb a mountain, which is very exhausting, tiring, and maybe not that rewarding, but it's not like that. It is a mountain, but you are very close to reaching the top. You're about to reach the top of the mountain, which will give you a lot of success and so much success that you will be surprised. I know right now you're comparing yourself with your friends and family, like look where they are today and I'm so educated or talented more than them, but I'm still not earning that same amount or I'm still not on that position. But you have to keep on going. This is a signal for you. This is a sign for you to not give up. And this is also a sign for you that you have made the right choices. Not everybody's path is the same, so please stop comparing yourself with others. Some people go like this in their career, some people go like this in their career, but that doesn't mean that this is right and this is wrong. Both are different paths and both will reach you to where you are supposed to reach. Okay, take it like that. Yes, continue to work hard, continue to endure the struggle, be strong, and you will reach your success. And I also see that success is just around the corner. So please do not give up, because ultimately if you give up, you might not be able to reach or take that next step which would have given you the kind of life you always wanted. You're very close. I do see success is just around the corner. Keep on working hard. Keep up the good work, because you have made the right decisions in your life. Trust yourself a little more and you will get the success. Now let's see what's happening in your love life. I see one of spades, I see Pope, and I also see four of Suns. Okay, so some of you are quite hopeful, and some sort of hope is actually returning in your life when it comes to your love life. If you're no contact or if you have gone through some sort of breakup, you are still very hopeful and you are still waiting for that reconciliation to happen. For some of you who have been waiting for a reconciliation, you might receive a call or text from that person, because do see that some sort of hope opens up for you on the love front. To others of you who think that no, I do not want to go back to that person, I want a fresh start with a new beginning and a new person, then I also see that a new beginning is happening in your life. A new partner will come your way who will make you very happy. And I also see that some of you are also taking the next step in your life, which means that if you're already in a relationship, you could be taking that next step in your relationship, getting engaged or married. If you're already married and you were thinking of having a baby, you could have a baby. Some sort of traditional ceremony is also happening, some sort of celebration is also happening. So you are definitely celebrating something this week. I also see that it is a sign of happy home, like you have a very peaceful home around you. People are genuinely happy for you. If you are breaking out the information and announcing that okay, we both are dating each other like that, you will see that a lot of your family and friends will approve of your choice, right? Maybe you were scared of revealing this information to others, but I do see that your friends and family will be very happy with your decision. I also see you celebrating a lot of time and meeting old friends and family or relatives. I do see group, so definitely a lot of people are around you. You could be socializing a lot as well. Good week for you on the personal front. If you were facing trouble in your marital life or your relationships, that will also go away, because I see peace, I see happiness, okay, and I see everyone around you being happy for you. So I do see, yes, relationships will improve, peace will improve, even you will be taking the next step, new beginnings will happen for a lot of you. So it is overall a very good week for you when it comes to your personal life, whether you are single, relationship, situationship, or married. Your career also look good. I know there is a delay, but if you keep on doing the great work that you're already doing, Pisces, I do not see any reason why you will not be granted the rewards. All right. So good week for you. If you guys resonated with this reading, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Do comment and let me know what is happening in your life. I would love to read your comments and will try to reply to each one of you. And yes, if you still have any questions, if you have specific questions that you want to ask about your love life, career, health, family, anything, please book a personal reading with me. I take personal readings as well. I also have audio and video call sessions, which are only available on Instagram, Google Meet, and Zoom. I also have different packages for you guys. So if you're a career oriented person, I have different set of questions and free remedies with every package. Love situation people is different, people who are single is different, to see what is exactly blocking your life so that I can help you with a remedy and remove that blockage from your career or love life. I also do oracle love reading. So if you are in no contact situation, you want to channel your partner's current feelings, then you can book your oracle love reading as well. I do rituals as well. If you want to remove any blockages from your life or manifest any desire, I have simple and powerful rituals, and very cheap, by the way, as compared to what is available in the market right now. Also, I take a spiritual counseling session. So if you or any of your friends and family are in need of a counseling session, like a therapy session, a guidance session, I will be doing that with you with the help of tarot and the spiritual guidance, and will be giving you a remedy so that it helps you to change your life. If you're going through depression, a dark phase, if you're alone, you have no friends, you don't have trustworthy people, or you're not open with anyone, or you're carrying some heavy burden that you're not able to share with anyone because people will make fun of you, or they will judge you, or your secrets will get revealed, then you can always come to a safe place and discuss anything that you want without any judgment. And to book any kind of session, please go ahead and email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can also book the session by DMing me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. Guys, also please follow me on Instagram because I post all such details on a daily basis over there. Here I'll only be meeting you weekly, so there you will get the prices of every service, what services are available, what discounts are going on, what rituals are there, when to do, what not to do, everything on a daily basis. Alright? So go ahead, like, share, subscribe my channel. Take care of yourself, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.